Hey guys, yesterday I got my front flip on the trampoline, which was super exciting, and I did it multiple times. It wasn't a one-off. So now I'm going to show you. Sitting on the trampoline.
Yeah. Now I'm looking at it.
My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow shine. Outside is a luxury, oh so sweet your company.
Okay guys, so this is my band-aid from my vaccination.
Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the blister of your hands and the silhouette of all the stuff. Got it brushed up with a canvas gel. Gotta let the paint dry. Burn blood make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry.
These are good strawberries.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. From all of the pain and the drama, I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby?
Hello. This room gives you a sort of creepy air. Yeah, it looks like a jail cell. Yeah. And I don't want to look under there because there might be spiders.
Hey guys, we're doing a bushwalk and we just went up some stairs that were really tiring. And there were some really pretty views. And now we're drinking water. Guys, I accidentally fell on a rock, so I got this scrape. So we just finished the bushwalk. It was like so hard. I'm probably like sweating. Oh my gosh. It actually feels damp.
Yeah, so it was pretty hard, but it was really nice.
Such nice views, especially from the lookout. Now, 8 out of 10.
9.
9 out of 10. Wow. Surprising. I give it a 7 to 8, so 7.5. And guys, this is the Grand Canyon walk. When I was like a lot younger, I actually drew my initials in this rock. There's so many initials in this rock. And I drew mine like years and years ago. So let's show you it. That's it. Hey. Yes, look at that flake.
Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel.